Hello guys! In this video, I am going to talk about why we need to learn design patterns. One of the reasons for learning design patterns is creating a common language between software developers to communicate easier. Instead of having long technical meeting to solve a problem and explaining a lot of details, maybe you can end up the meeting by naming just one design pattern which solves your problem. And now, how does design pattern help us? Many of the problems we seek to solve have already been solved by someone, and there is no need to reinvent the wheel from the first. It's just a waste of time. Design patterns help us to have minimum changes. For example, we want to add a new functionality. Instead of changing source code, we only need to extend our module. It means with design patterns, we can follow solid principle like open-close principle, which causes to have minimal side effect in our system. Okay, we find out we need to learn design patterns and how to recognize which one to use and where. The solution is that we have to practice, practice, and practice and keep them on top of mind. But there is no need to remember the details of implementation. In fact, we need to learn concepts and approach. But there is a practical solution to learn concept more easily, which I use. Actually, our brain is designed so that it learn and remember examples more easily than learning and remembering theoretical concepts. Okay, how we can use this fact to learn so many design patterns? I will explain to you with some examples. Okay, when I think of a strategy design pattern, I remember discount strategies or product delivery strategies. At this moment, I may not be able to explain what is a strategy design pattern, but we all know what is discount strategies context. And then we need to try whether we can simulate our problem with discount strategy context or not. If we can, then we can think of this design pattern to solve our problem. Or when I think of decorator design patterns, I remember an ice cream seller who wants to decorate his ice cream with chocolate or Smarties. Some of customers may order simple ice cream, or some of them order ice cream with chocolate, or some of them order combination of chocolate and Smarties. And maybe in the future, this ice cream seller want to decorate his ice creams with more things like saffron. And now we need to try whether we can simulate our problem with this example or not. So, we need to remember one or two examples for each design patterns and see which of these examples we can simulate our problem with. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you on the next video.